Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your watch history on TikTok. Now, if there's a specific video or maybe your entire watch history, you wanted to delete out and clear all of it, I'll show you both options. First, tap on the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on Profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Activity Center. Tap on Watch History at the top. From here, you can tap on Filter by Date and choose whether you wanted to delete your watch history for the last day, week, month, or the entire time. Let's say you wanted to delete out all of the videos you've ever watched. Tap on one video and you can see if you press and hold on it, you can tap delete and then delete. To be able to delete all of your watch history, tap select at the top right. Tap select all watch history at the bottom left. For whatever reason, that's not really selecting all of them. For whatever reason, maybe it's working for you, but for me, it seems like I need to manually select them. It should work. There it worked. Select all watch history. Tap on delete at the bottom right, and then tap on delete. Just like that, you will have deleted your entire watch history. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below and catch this video to my right. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.